Let's go!
Hello, this is Paul. What's that, Cynics? Yes, that's what I'll be watching you all the way through. Now, let's see what you make of these. It's the lolly sticks and coffee stirrers. It's using one of these, multi-tool, and the rest of these, what? Wood glue, clips, little sanding stick, a knife, ruler, pencil. What else? What else can you see? Oh yes, a toothpick, sanding discs for your rotary tool. Yeah, small version. Oh, there's lovely, all loads of other tools. Yes, sanding block, paintbrush, a tool that I made. See what else? Scissors. I've used them all to make other stuff. You'll see in a bit. Let's carry on. Tell you what, let's stick some music on while we wait. Right, let's see what I've got. Oh, not that one. No. Let's get this one in. I'll do. There you go, you get your glues. That's what I did. It's also make swords. I've added 2 swords, one for each item that I made. It's be wood new. Right. The next bit I need to make a jig, to make something. And here's that jig. All these sticks glued together. The screws. Put some coffee stirrers on that jig, put in them, sort them, and make that item there. And this one is, yes, let's go. That's Wally's coffee stirrers, Wally sticks. I'll make it into this one. See what's next. See what next coming up. It's a frame. What kind of frame? What's it going to put in frame? Oh yes, the sign is on that frame. Guess who this one's for? 3 guesses. I need something else to go on it. Now, as I said, I need some skulls and some skeletons. There's the purple one. The purple skeleton. Sorry, Grace. Sorry. And some skulls. And put them all together, you get this. She used a bit of wire as well to put it all together. I did. I said I'd keep watching you. This one is I'm using a matte gloss. Not matte gloss. Matte varnish. Just as a base coat. Because the 7 difference. So all wood, it's plastic as well. So giving us basically a matte coverall. And yes, I like that a little bit, that smelly face. And now I've primer, I'll give it all a good coating primer. Top to bottom, back to front, side to side. And underneath as well. I've done a couple of coats of this. I think my music stopped. I like that bit of music. Yes, once I've done with the finished primer, let it dry for a day or two. Then I needed a special colour. Gold. I've done the same with gold that I did with the primer. Sprayed it all over. Couple of coats. Here comes the fun bits. The finished article. Set 6. Maker. See, first, the grim end. There's some items that can make that couple of dioramas and start on me layout designing. Real layout, yes, it's free. 2 dioramas and be layout design. The next one is for somebody else. I'm not going to tell you to the end. Also, I blurred some bits. You might have guessed it, but I blurred some bits because of the name of the person. For the spraying, I used matte varnish, then a yacht varnish at the end. Oh, a couple of coats each. Yes, made by me. for the final bit. Here it comes. And we drum roll at the end. The final showing. Serve! This is for you, mate, from my heart. Get well soon, mate. I've not been too well. Now, like and subscribe.